Naka-live ako, naka-live. Hindi ka rinig daw. It's fine. Hindi ka rinig. Kaya natin sila. Sila Gojo. Kaya nga eh. 5 minutes lang daw. Hey! Isang araw. Hala, gold ka na! Hindi pwede that 5 month to. Ano? Iron. Hindi. Palit siya eh. Gold na yung main account ko si Gojo kasi ano, silver. Silver ba? Oo, silver. Thank you, PJ, for the United Hearts. Thank you. Hello guys. Isang araw namamanin sa Cubao. Hindi na ako nakasali dun sa campaign kasi nag-start na pala siya. So wala nang option to join, I think, unless hindi ko maintindihan talaga. I don't get it. Thank you, PJ, for the shell energy. But na-re-up sila trend. Okay, kasi hindi ko talaga siya dapat i-upload as story. Tapos na-upload ko siya as story. Kaya, ni-re-upload ko na lang siya. Di ko ata friend si Frosty dito eh. Ay, friend ko pala. Buhatin mo kami ha. Thank you, Toshiko. Yan. Dapat ganyan. Isang araw. Ay, akala ko si Sage. I got hyped up for nothing. Wag mo naman ako mute. Give me a chance. I always give you a chance, Julius. I always give you a chance. You have to behave. All you have to do is behave. Now I'm giving you another chance. So you can redeem yourself. Reina. This is so cute. Now I'm giving you another chance. Hello, Sadie. Behave na yan si Julius. Wow! Behave na. Wow, behave na daw. That's good, that's good. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Sovereign. Is this good? Oh, it's so cute. Wait. Ang ganda ng green. Lately, I've been liking yung sage green or teal color. I don't know why. Kaka-sage ko to eh. Ang ganda! Okay. Ang bubudol siya. Wow. It is also cute. Who's this, Vice? Is this Vice? Butterfly knife. Didn't see the little crown in the gift. Oh, really? Why? Should I add it? I can only add 3. Okay, let's add Let's add little crown in the gifts. Thank you so much for achieving the first shell goal. Wait. Let me look for little crown. There you go. Ba't mo ako ini-invite? Huh? Bakit ayaw mo ba? Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo ako panoorin? Thank you, Natsu, for the little crown. I-off ko yung Excuse me. Off ko na. Ayun, off din. Okay. Tagal ni Gojo. Ano magandang aralin na agent? Wait lang, ang ganda talaga nung sa playstyle ko, unpredictable. Ayoko. Ako mamaya, imbes na ako bumuhat. Smoke. Ayoko smoke. Hindi ako marunong mag-smoke. I mean, sabagay. Pwede rin na. You must have forgotten me. It's okay because I often miss your life. No, I did not forget you. I remember you, of course. Of course. You're one of the people who watch me even in Thailand. I remember you, of course. Thank you, Champ Champ. Thank you. Nasa loko. Thank you, Champ Champ. Thank you, Papa Jishish, for the charmer bow. Even if you go inactive, as long as you interact with me on my live stream, or I see you often on my live stream, I don't forget. Dahil talaga si TikTok kayo kapahirapan. Ay, talaga. Joke lang. Ang tagal. Si Vito ba? Okay ba si Vito? KO. Ayoko mag-KO. Pressure masyado. Yeah, maybe Reyna. Hi, Reyna. Reyna Soba. Teho. Reyna or Teho? Iniiwas sa Sage kasi nagawa need sub. Hello! Si Master Gojo pala bubuhat. Oh, yes! Thank you, Papa Jishish, for the shells. Thank you po. Hello! Sawadee ka! Isang araw, tagal. Nagmamaneho sa Cubao. Punta ko may sky bigla dito. Did I try sky? Thank you, PJ, for the shell energy. Thank you po. Yes! Kamusta? Hello! Lawin na ako mamaya, guys. Let's go. What if ano muna? Molly. Ano daw? How will last trend my energy na I'll enjoy covering it. Yes, I love that song. I love that song kasi. Iwan mo kami kanina. Sorry, I had to go live again kasi. Ano, one game ba muna? Chat ko ulit. Yep. Hello, Piu Piu. Dagdag mo na yung icon ko dyan. Ko, what is your favorite food? I like salmon sushi. But if we're talking about Filipino food, adobo, pancit, a lot. What cuisine? Why if there's Quadrips event in Indonesia, it's always close to my exam? I'm sorry. I don't know. Maybe because during those times, it's also close to vacation. Timing is not... It's okay, next time. I hope it's not close to your exam anymore. Thank you, Taeyong, for the heart meme. Thank you. Now I found another crush. Ang tagal. Did you get it? It's so cute. Imagine this with Sage. 어떡해. Ayaw ng tablet maglaro. What? Hello? Sorry ka nung Why is this so cute? Wait. Nabubudol ako. Should I get it? Deserve ko ba? Deserve ba natin bumili ng skin, guys? Ang ganda kasi. You see? 어떡해. Should I get it? Should I get it? You can deal with yourself if you deserve it. Sige. Kasi this is, this changes like, does this change like every day? And then, I think, for a few days maybe. I think every day. Nag-refresh tong shop. Wait lang. Nagko-contemplate ako kung kukunin ko ba to o hindi. Deserve o hindi ko mag-decide. Bakit kami? Oo nga naman. Oo nga naman. Nasa DC. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys. May ayusin lang ako. Tipong pag naka 10 kills ka in one game, edi go, sige! 10 kills in one game. I'll get it. Game. Kompe agad. Huwag ganon. Dapat 10 kills above. Thank you, J Smile. Ano ba yan? I think I'll play badly naman. Huwag ganon.
Match found.
Okay. G, play PUBG? No, this is Valorant, but I also do play PUBG. 10 lang wag sobra. 10 lang, wag sobra.
I am both shield
Ang tanong, aabot ba ng 10 yung kills? That's the question. Kain well. 10 and up. Bigyan mo ako kills, Frosty, ah. Paano ka gagaling if di ka more than 10? I know. Pero last time, siguro naka 16 kills nga ako last time eh. Kaso defeat. So what's the use? Nakita ko na naman ang malupit na setup ni Coley. Thank you. Di kasi kaya ng internet ko eh. Siguro pag na-upgrade ko yung internet. I mean, tama. Pwede ko naman sabihin ko naman sinabi yung pangalan eh. Pag na-upgrade ko yung internet, pwede nang hindi ganito yung setup natin. But I doubt it as well. I got this pala, guys. Look, so cute. I don't know nga eh. Bigay lang din kasi ng ano. Hi!
Sage, you lock them down, and I'll take them out. Just like we practiced.
No! Oh no, I'm pinging! Ay, kuya.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
Reloading. Reloading.
No peeking! Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted
sa ano, bounce.
Spike planted.
Okay.
One enemy
Hello!
remaining.
I can't
Healing over
kill.
you.
Kabado pa siya, guys.
They were not good enough.
Scary. Okay, one.
Right then. Some more of that, near in the shite.
Okay, one. 9 to go. Thank you, broccoli, broccoli and cauliflower. Is this the one?
I got there, Ozzy.
Everybody has guns now.
Drop in a smoke. No peeking.
Here you go. Hello.
Reloading. Multiple enemies. Here. Trap.
Healing you.
My flower. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Last player standing.
Yun ba yung goal? Dapat 10 tapos panalo yung
You're going to
ano.
scatter from my stuff.
Panalo yung
Super easy to
game.
take off.
Dapat panalo yung game. Ganun na lang. 10 kills and then panalo yung game. Oh my gosh. Super Phantom. Yung pwede lagay sa salad and chopstick. Broccoli and cauliflower. Oh, my favorite. I like salad and chopstick.
Fulfill our mission.
Sige, di naman. Ay! I'm blind.
Spotted A. Enemy spotted B.
Reload.
Saan yun?
Hawk out.
Uy!
Reloading. Eliminate.
Heal up, squad.
Should I go A? Should we go A? I don't know. We're stuck here for too
Hawk
long.
out.
It's okay, we can wait, I guess.
Barrier placed.
Aray ko!
Hunt.
Oh, sige.
Scout destroyed.
I'm planting.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Dapat tinatay ko muna. My bad.
I'm nothing like the enemy cove.
Nanalo ka ba,
In
Yas?
that outfit.
Really? Really? Tingin ko. Oh, sige. Sige na nga. Game na nga. Saan ko na nga yung monitor ko? Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Game na nga. Game na nga.
I got you, okay?
Ba't naka-erase yung ano?
Enemy spotted A.
Aray ko.
I can't use that.
Spike down A.
Reloading.
Goodness.
Reloading.
More raised.
Carrier's down.
Spike down
Night,
A.
night.
Last player standing.
Ito ah. Sa'yo yung spike. Ay, kuya.
One enemy remaining.
Empty.
just reminds me of this one time where I. Actually, never mind.
Save round, save round. Makapagsalita naman tong Raze. Naman Raze.
Reloading.
Hey! Aray ko. Ay.
Here.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
I'm gonna plant.
Enemy spotted B. Spike planted. Reloading.
It works pa.
Reloading.
I'm no
Okay,
doctor, but I can patch a bullet hole or two. Let me know if you need healing.
Ay, napindot. May napindot na naman ako. Please don't accept. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Tara, let's play Valo.
I will hold up the sky.
Wait. I can't hear you.
Oh no.
Ayan, okay na. I can hear you.
Pero ate ko, kung maglalaro ka pa, ayain mo ako later. Mag-aaral ako.
Alright. Alright, sige.
Yay!
Aral well.
You had your fun. My turn.
Why? Hindi siya matamaan.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
Counted ba
One
yun?
enemy remaining.
Ang lakas pala.
I got the spike.
Napindot ko siya! Ba't ganon?
Spike planted.
Siya matamaan.
My territory. My.
Have them now.
No, I won't lose. Don't worry. It's just the start of the game. Napindot ko pala si Rene. Buti na lang
My
si Rene
ult is
yung
ready.
napindot ko.
Sorry, ears still ringing.
Game. Ay, binigay sa Raze na naman yung spike. Lagalaban po, palag kung palag. Tama.
I dropped the spike. I have the spike.
Yun, binigay sa akin spike. Saan tayo, guys? Aray ko.
Healing you.
Naka-O din sa kabila. Tara, B.
Caught in a smoke.
Spike down B.
Back like I never left.
I got the spike.
Only iron on this account. Is it iron? Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Someone's in defender spawn.
Reloading, squad.
30 seconds left.
Oh my gosh.
My ult's ready. Once more into battle. I'm not tired.
Oh my
Are you?
gosh. Crazy. Bye-bye.
Can someone get this? Thank you.
Kasi ganito yung graphics ko. Something changed.
Spot dropped. Hawk out.
Blinded. Enemy spotted A. Need help.
Time to hunt.
Nice.
Got him.
Need help.
Barrier created.
Nothing.
Headshot. My ult's ready.
Spike planted.
Need help. Need help.
Healing over here.
Watching here.
Eh, wala.
Enemy spotted.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading. Oh, hey, we're the same. Prepare yourselves. We fight once again.
Game na nga. I'm stuck at 3! I'm stuck at 3. No. No, 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 no. May attacking pa, may attacking. Hello, salamat naman. Why do my friends always say that I look like manananggal? Why do you look like... Why do they say that?
Enemy spotted B. Need help.
Hindi.
Enemy spotted A.
Your duty is not over for you. Wait, this feels different.
Do we go A? I think walang tao sa A. Teho A.
Go ahead. Stand your ground.
Oh no.
Wall raised. I've got your trail.
Grenade.
Ouch! Ang trap!
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Ay, nasira yung wall ko.
Now. There's another. Here comes the party.
Spike planted.
Hawk out.
My ult.
Di pa ba na-clear yun?
Grenade.
My territory, my rules.
Last player standing.
Ang hirap!
Three for me.
Thrifty.
What's behind me? A wall.
What will it be this time?
So
Have any
scary.
patterns emerged yet?
Kasi skinless eh. Kaya... Joke na. Check tomate. I'll end the live at around 10. Kasi I have to go by then. Naka-erase na naman yung spike ko.
Need help. I dropped the spike.
Iwan niyo yung spike doon. Bakit ka na? Yes, nag-gitna ako.
Finished.
I have the spike.
Hawk out.
Clear A.
Blinded.
On my way. Uy! Wait a minute.
For you.
Hawk out!
Unavoidable.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining. Clutch.
I am not just a villain. Wow, Sage! When you turn it on,
Sige,
you
sige,
turn
sige.
it.
On! Great work!
4 to go. Ano ulam? Ano ba kinain ko kanina? Wala, hindi ko maalala. Ba't nagmerienda ata ako na? So, hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner. Thank you. We're gonna win this, guys. You just have to be patient.
Enemy spotted A.
Wow. Saan? Take go.
Spike down A.
Why did you leave the spike?
Last player standing.
Why did you leave the spike? Ay, nako. Yan na po, nakita pumasok. Baka late ka po. Late ka daw, Chabu. Lagot ka. Late ka daw, Chabu.
30 seconds left.
Gugutom ako, guys. Should I order food? Kasi hindi ako makakapag-concentrate. Okay. Sa bahay na lang ako mag-eat. Tomorrow, I'll be going live sa Lagunation again. Wala na tayo sa turf tomorrow.
10 seconds left.
Ako tumabay kasi kung nananatumay Nakabalik ka na. Bumalik ka. Oh, NT.
Last round in the half.
Wait, so till 10,
We cannot
South
keep our
Girl
goods
na ulit
after
tama.
this.
Yes.
Spend all.
South Girly na
Could I have a
ako.
drop? Thank you. Could I have a drop?
Ano ba nakakanta mo? Ano yun?
Oh shit, I lost my hit rope!
Ano yun? Hindi kasi marunong umentry si Reyes eh.
Enemy spotted A. No peeking.
Dapat una pa lang pasabog na agad. Joke lang.
Enemy skill. Catch a fun. My territory. My battle. Like I never left.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? Wait, I can plan.
You're done.
Spike down A.
One bat. Ay, bats ba yun?
Watch this! My ult's ready.
Watching here.
Last player
Tagal.
standing.
Kailangan.
One enemy remaining.
Kainis naman medyo slight. Kailangan.
I have to spike.
Clutch.
Sorry, my words. Behave.
Switching sides.
Okay, we're defending.
Lucky socks. Don't fail me now.
Hello! Mag-wrap ka or tempura or anything you want. You kinda want tempura again. Long time no tempura. Okay. Isa. Nagmamaneho sa kuba.
I don't quit.
Wall raised.
Wala, ayaw umangat na. Sit. Wala dito. Wala dito. Bakit sila nag-push? I think, yeah, they're all there. Maybe. But what?
Spike planted.
Kasi iniwan nila.
Yikes.
Ay, guya.
There.
Cherry po. Saan?
Last player standing.
78 lang. Ay! Dua! Umikot pa. Through me 60 pa eh.
I reckon I'll take a kip after this. I've earned it.
Sali ka? Ano? Akala nito. Nandiyan pa ba si ano? Si Charger? Charger, sali ka? Yes.
We can
Charger.
push them back.
Charger, tumbler, tsaka inhaler.
Multiple enemies B.
Asan? Oh no, they're there! Oh no! Bestie, don't die, bestie!
Last player standing.
Nasira niya yung wall ko. Hindi ko napansin. Eh,
Spike planted.
hi! First time seeing P-pop idol playing Valo. Hello, welcome, welcome. Okay, bias ko na. Thank you! Welcome, welcome. Saving Are? No! Na-stuck ako sa 7! Ay, 7 na? Thank you. This is Kevin for the heart me. Thank you. Ano lang ako, iron. Iron on this account. Wow! Na para bang...
Stand tall. We are Valorant. We are fighters.
Oy. Now let's save.
I'm saving.
Smurfing. Seven na guys, 7 na. Kaso 9 na. Oh my gosh.
Time to mobilize my pack.
Why are you going there?
Wall raised.
They're here. I'm blind. Makapasok na sa'yo. Oh my gosh, ang dami kong kalaban.
Spike planted.
Yeah, you're trying. My ultimate is ready.
Last player
26
standing.
tayo. Let's try! Let's try! Let's try!
We got this.
Oh my gosh. Wala akong mabay.
Can someone get this?
Saving ulit. Ano pala?
Roll for initiative.
Hello. They're here. They're here.
Barrier created.
Yes or no? Yes.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted A.
Low jet, maybe.
Here.
My ult's ready.
Teleport.
One down.
Enemy down.
I'm lagging! I'm lagging. Bruh. Bakit ka nagagalit?
One enemy,
Enemy
remaining.
removed. Your duty is not over. So what I missed? Reloading. Last enemy taken out.
11 na.
Aye, where to?
Thank you, Johan. Hello. Sovereign.
Purple girl out for job.
I have your back.
She's right. Naughty hell.
Barrier created.
Now shoot, pal. Spotted B.
Sira na naman dito.
Hawk out.
May na-blind? Wala. Nandun sila. Hala. Ay, nandun yung Spike.
Spike down B.
Spike spotted B.
Stay down. Need help. Enemy spotted B.
Oh my gosh. Dito na. Naglalag ako, guys. Pero okay na. Naka 10 kills na tayo. Yay.
One enemy remaining.
Need help.
Spike down B.
Gift nyo na siya, guys. Miss Boomer. Every dream wings. I know, right?
Spike spotted B.
We know what we're doing. Trust
I
each
have a
other and
deal.
we'll be fine.
Can someone get this?
I have a deal with myself na if I have 10 kills and above and then we win this game. Pala yung isang ano pa, if we win this game pala. Uy, panalo natin to, guys. Panalo natin to talaga.
Keep up.
Sayang 10 kills. Yes. Sige lahat.
My ult's ready. Need help. Lucky sight. Oh, enemy spotted B. 3.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
You are in our way.
Yay!
Reloading. My ult is ready. You know what we should do?
Uy, panalo
tell
natin
ya.
to, guys. Sayang
We should
yung 10 kills. Grabe, 33. Kuha ako ng order.
Find the weak point and break it.
Wala na, late na ako.
Enemy spotted B.
Hindi nga ni. Hala.
Enemy spotted A.
Wall raised.
Spike down A.
Spike spotted A.
Reloading.
Low na yun, ah. Ay, hindi nila na-plan.
Last player standing.
Back like I never left.
Last player standing.
8-11, guys. 8-11. Alamat is binan. Ooh.
Get on with it.
Welcome to the family.
Watching here. Multiple enemies.
Barrier created.
Oh no.
Yikes.
Are they rotating?
Spike planted.
Enemy spotted A. 3.
One enemy remaining.
4.
Ay, sorry po! Sorry. Ace yun, Ace. Sorry. My bad.
Don't even stop.
Hi.
Reloading.
Come back manifesting.
You know, I could just outlive them. Nah, bullets are quicker.
Hi. Isang araw. Naman sa Cubao. Ay, 3A pala. Ano gusto niya?
Let's fly.
Andy.
One race.
Spike down A.
I can't use that.
One bats. Oh my gosh, di niya nakita.
One dead.
Ita!
You had your fun. My turn.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Yay!
Do not fight us.
I'm amped. Let's go. I got things to do.
Ngayon lang yan, guys. Kasi motivated. Motivated kasi.
Need help. Don't give the ground.
Ay, nako. Nasayang ko.
Watching here.
Barrier created.
Hindi ko.
Here. I shot
Ay,
somebody.
sila. Okay. Come back. Uy! Galing naman nun. Line up yun. Lumipad si
Enemy
Jet sa...
spotted B. There.
Ikaw pala nakakita.
Somebody out.
Teleport. Uy! 33 clove.
Need help.
Last player standing.
Thank you.
Spike planted.
Thank you po. Ay, nako. kaya to comeback.
Match point.
I surrounded by minha família. We won't lose.
3A daw. 3A daw na naman. Iwinawagayway. You saw that? Iwinawagayway. Iwinawagayway.
This is gonna be fun.
Araw. I need to down them twice, yes.
Barrier created.
My ult's ready.
Why does she keep pushing?
I've got your trail. My territory, my rules.
I can heal.
Enemy spotted B. Healing you. Reloading.
Here goes the party.
Spike planted.
Time to hunt.
Blow you up.
Go ahead. Stand your ground.
Blocking sight.
Dalawa sila doon.
Heal up, squad.
Pwede mag-defuse yung isa. Grabe, unli heal.
Hawk out. Reloading.
NT.
Enemy spotted B. Nothing.
Last player standing.
Sayang!
Attackers win.
No, my 16 kills! No! No! Look! Look! Asan na? It's so cute! It's so cute! Wait. Let me check. May message yung dad ko. Wala pang message si daddy kahit pa isang game. Dapat tonight. Oo nga, dapat tonight. Kasi kung hindi, I can't get it. Di ko kaya mag-follow sa Lagunation. Thank you, PJ, for the heartbeat. Di ko kaya mag-follow sa Lagunation kasi yes, may error. Okay lang, lahat naman may error. Kensha na, but look, it's so cute.
Match.
Ayan, lakas. I have Miss Bloom on my other account. Hi, Trixie! Ate, okay lang yan. Pasado na yan. Close fight naman. Guys, na po kita follow na kita. Thank you! Tapos pink yung laging gamit mo. No, yung bagay kay Sage.
I am both shield
Yung
and
medyo... medyo greenish. Sometimes the purple one. I like the purple one too. I like all. Pala. Thank you, broccoli and cauliflower. Southie girly pop. Kinda, a little bit. But my heart is in the city. Maybe we play together. No, maybe, probably. Ala, susunduin na ako, guys! Thank you, broccoli and cauliflower, for the game controller. Thank you. Ala, susunduin na ako. Hala, 30 minutes. Kaya ba to 30 minutes? 30-minute game lang. Duelist. Isa pang duelist. My dad will sundok me. Ngayon na. Wala na, di na ako makakapagbalo. Ay! In 5 minutes, he's leaving, so I think... Kaya nga eh.
Today is a gift to Radiance.
We're finally free to use her.
Inask ko rin kung gaano katagal papunta dito. Sa airport. Abot yan 30 minutes. Wow, battle mode! Paano yun? Dalawa yung smokes natin eh.
Reloading.
Ano ba yun? Nahuli ako.
Shutting them down. Smoke's down.
Oh. Ouch!
Last player standing.
Ang dami! Ang dami!
I will fulfill my purpose.
It's okay. I can get this skin. It's fine.
Reload.
Hindi siya side para masto. Yan na ba pag of course.
Together.
LSS ako sa pag-ibig ko to PBL stream later. Try to listen to Overdrive from Quadlips. I feel like you'll like it also. Ala! Mid! Ha? What? I mid to A. 1, 2, 3.
Enemy spotted.
Ay, wala sa akin yung spike! Hindi ako kasha. Wala sa akin yung spike.
Can't use this yet. Can't use this yet.
Wala.
Tango down. Light planted.
Hindi ko alam kung nasa niyo.
One enemy remaining.
Whoa, that hurt me.
Molly.
Okay, bye.
We are not done.
Pero sa si pangalan natin ko, kung ba may iba? You could call me Coley. Papunta na ata dito, guys. I have to go. No, I can't get this skin! Last round. Dalhin ko na lang yung laptop.
Keep the balance
Let's
in
see if I
our
can play
favor.
later. Ano ba yan?
Shadows traveling. Suppress it.
Nasa gym.
One suppressed.
Return to dust.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon down. Reloading.
Wall raised.
Low yan, low.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading. Bagged and tagged.
Sage, the life you give to you ever wonder where it's taken from?
Yeah, may penalty nga siya. But it's okay. I have 2 accounts naman. I have to go! Bye-bye! Papunta na. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-pack eh.
Cloves antics stop now.
Oo. Later na lang pag-uwi.
Cover going out.
Araw.
Show them
Sorry, my ult's ready.
Guys, I have to go.
Cutting their vision.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching.
Now we're
Saglit
cooking.
lang tayo tonight. Hi! Yan, C-O-L-A-Y.
One enemy remaining.
My planet.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for 5.5k hearts. 17 viewers and for your time with me tonight. If ever, na hindi pa ako antok later, baka we can play pa. Or I can stream pa later pag uwi. Thank you. Bye. Baka feeling ko kaya ko pa mag-stream. I'll update na lang sa broadcast channel. Maybe no drill yet. No drill yet. Ah, sige. Sige na, mag-drill na nga tayo just in case. Isang araw mamaneo sa Cubao. And then you can send the hearts that they're sending for the drill. See you later, guys. See you later. See you later. Thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Maghuhugas pa ako ng plato.
naman yung jacket namin na free lang.